Here you can see we have a easy bridal hair tutorial for folks who are wanting to wear their natural hair. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Rock Natural here, and I'm showing you a video of me doing a photo shoot that's specifically for a campaign for my bridal business, and I wanted to do this style for a long time. And of course, like, my brides want something more traditional, so this was the perfect way to get someone to get this style and me to show you what it looks like. So here you can see me brushing her hair back. She did lightly blow out her hair. I didn't want to blow it out too much because I wanted her to keep the integrity just of her natural hair and to make sure there's a lot of volume. So you see me her just trying to put it in a ponytail. And what I like to do with ponytails in general is kind of split the hair. So the top section is parted off, and then the back section, I'll start with putting that in a ponytail, like you can see here, by brushing section by section. And then I'll clip and wait until I get the other side back to where I want it, and then put it in the ponytail. And you see me just brushing her hair back here. Once I get both sides back, as far as like the back is concerned, into a ponytail, then that's when I will start doing the top. We're going to give her a middle part because we are wanting this to just be sleek, very neat, very clean, and straight to the point. You see me here struggling just a little bit, only because she has a lot of hair, and I wanted the ponytail to be tight enough to where it looks sleek, but also loose enough to where we still had enough volume. So now I'm starting on the front, and I just went to the front of her face to make sure I got a part that was straight down the middle, and you can see me here just parting that off. Next, you want to go in with the product. I'm using Shine and Jam, and then I'm also using this Camera Care edge control that I love, and I use on all my brides because it doesn't revert the hair like some other products, but I have to use these in tandem. I wouldn't be able just to use the Shine and Jam alone. So then I'm using this hair that I bought from the beauty supply store, but I forgot to take a photo, and it's just like some crochet hair, and I kept it in the ponytail at the top, and then you just see me here pinning it. Next, you want to take the bottom half and put it into a ponytail, and then you want to tuck it under. So if the person's hair is not thick like her hair was, which gave the bun a lot of volume, you can use one of those bun former things to get the perfect bun. So now you see me here bobby pinning. The hair doesn't need a lot of the super concise bobby pins. The loose ones work perfectly. I'm just going to the front to make sure it's like the perfect symmetry. This actually didn't take long once I got her hair in a ponytail. It was really quick and super sleek, and I just love the way it turned out. After this, I did add a little clip or a comb accessory to it, and it was just chef kiss. Let me know your thoughts in the comment, and if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you in my next one.